hooked up a set of hydraulic brakes, and you can see they work pretty good. Had to weld up the bracket. Yeah, she's running pretty nice now. Now that the brakes are in the go-kart, I was sending it around the yard pretty hard. Just waiting for her to cool off some. I really was reaming on it hard. Fucking, I got a set of hydraulic brakes here that go to that gold cylinder back there. The way they work is that that there pulls on this rope, this cable, rocks that bar, compresses that cylinder, and locks up that brake cylinder back there, the hydraulics. But you can tell by all the powder dust everywhere, I've been really riding on it hard. That belt's really holding up pretty good, so pretty impressed with it. Had to reinforce this metal pretty hard. Fucking next is tail lights, roll cage, seat belt, and paint. But it's been running good, sounding loud, and I got rid of the old brake linkage back there. That was a piece of shit, so I cut it off. Fucking wasn't working very well. I had this bike brake pad pushing on that drum, kind of like this, and wasn't working very well. By the way, if you're wondering what this was, this is the old clutch. You can see where the fucking keyway broke off, and I had to weld it. But yeah, this no clutch material left, and I was wondering why the hell damn thing wasn't moving very fast. No clutch material. But I mean, that's more expensive to maintain than that belt drive, because that belt's probably $5 for a new belt, where that's like $60 for a new one of those when they wear out. So that, and if that thing breaks, it's usually going to be the belt, and if the belt breaks, it's like $5 versus $60. So yeah, I mean, fucking that. My neighbor gave me a new project, and I'm thinking it has to probably somewhat do with this electric motor, and probably that car battery. Let's see if you guys can guess what I'm thinking here. Some crazy shit gonna be happening soon. Yeah, my neighbor was a bit jealous that I had the death cart. So he brought me over this and wanted me to turn this into that. So, we'll see. It's probably possible, but I can't guarantee it. That it's going to be as much attitude as that. That thing tends to has a bit of a attitude problem. That thing is mean. So yeah, we'll see how far we get with this in the next couple of days, and see where that leads us to.